This is Casa Tranquila, and it truly lives up to its name. It's one of the highest quality homes currently on the market in Rancho Santana, and one of the best values for the level of quality it offers. Located inside one of the most beautiful and secure communities in Nicaragua, this home offers privacy, peace, and an effortless design. The style is clean, modern, and relaxed, with thoughtful finishes and a layout that works beautifully for full-time living, part-time use, or investment. Everything here was done with intention, elevated, comfortable, and easy to live in. Casa Tranquila also offers a low cost of ownership thanks to its solar power system, which keeps utilities very manageable. It's quiet, private, and the kind of home where you can truly relax the moment you arrive. And being located in Rancho Santana means you're surrounded by world-class beaches, nature, and amenities, all within a gated, well-managed community. This is 044 Casa Tranquila in Rancho Santana, Nicaragua. I'm Haley Grace, and if you're thinking about purchasing your dream home here, it would be my honor to help you find it and navigate the entire process.